Ever posted a carousel on Instagram and then cringed at one of the photos? Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to surgically remove just that one embarrassing pic. First, locate the multi-photo post you want to edit on your Instagram profile. Next, tap the three dots located in the upper right-hand corner of the post. A menu will pop up, and from this menu, select the edit option. Now, swipe through the carousel until you find the specific photo you want to get rid of. Once you found the offending image, look for the small trash can icon in the upper left-hand corner of the photo. Tap it. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure you want to delete the photo. Confirm your choice. The photo will be instantly deleted, and you'll be taken back to the editing screen. Finally, tap Done in the upper right-hand corner to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully removed a single photo from your multi-photo Instagram post. Now you can keep your profile looking polished and exactly how you want it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips.